Hi friends, welcome to Crafting and Relaxing. This is Sarah. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we have Happy Mail from Cruisin' with Crystal. Crystal has a channel where she does hauls, she does craft projects, just all sorts of, you're just cruising around with her. It's sort of like my channel where you don't know what I'm going to do next, but we'll have fun and see. I do not know what is in this giant package or what I've done to deserve this, Crystal. So let's take a look. I did cut it open. Oh my, look at that tissue paper. Maybe I didn't cut it open enough. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Look at these. Washies with blue in them. Oh my gosh, look at this foily one. These are amazing, Crystal. Oh, and the fabric. I think I have that, but I've used a lot of it. Look at this one too. Oh my gosh. I have never seen this foil and navy. I have some rose gold collections or gold collections. That would be amazing with. Those are gorgeous. This is too cute. I don't even want to open it. Let's just stop. Probably not, huh? This is darling. I don't know where she got this. It is a ribbon of flowers. Let me zoom you in so you can see. And it's fairly flat, so you could use it on cards, journal pages, all sorts of things, or to tie up a gift. Let's see if I can get this apart. There we go. Oh my gosh, there's just beautiful stuff. Look at this card. That is a really neat idea. I haven't made a card like the size of the cut apart or been inspired enough to make one. That is a really neat idea, Crystal. Love it. This is a pocket letter, and Crystal makes amazing pocket letters. She said these cards and envelopes would look great in your junk journals, and there's a tassel on a letter opener that was made by Colorful Mind 1. I'm going to show you how it's written. YouTube and Instagram. I'm not familiar with Colorful Mind, so we'll have to check that out. Look at these. Crystal, you had me at blue washi and then you just kept going. Oh my gosh. These are super cool. And the envelopes too. Oh my gosh. You're right. Those are going to be amazing. I love this paper. Absolutely love it. So Crystal makes super, super cool pocket letters. And I think she makes them so chunky, this whole thing might be... What? Look at this. So she signed the back, handmade with love. Make today beautiful. Cruisin' with Crystal, March 2020. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. I don't even really understand what I'm looking at. It is so big, you guys. Like my brain is like, this is bigger than 12 by 12, isn't it? Oh, it's almost 12 tall. Wow. That's a really cool idea to do with those pages that are too big and you can't figure out what to do with them. That's gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I don't even think you can call this a pocket letter. Is this a pocket letter? This is like ridiculous, Crystal. Oh my gosh. I'm still learning and I'm overwhelmed by this. Oh my gosh. Look at this. I love how she used two of them across the section. And she's got really neat stuff. And these sheer butterflies on the outside of it so you can see through. That's a really neat idea for acetate and other things that you want to be able to see through. And then she's got little Velcro pockets over here. Oh my gosh. And cute little paper clips. Oh my gosh. That is just the neatest thing. This must have taken you forever. Oh my gosh, look at these. For you, thank you, joy, hooray. Oh my gosh, I love these. I'm going to make some embellishment layered up stuff today. I'm going to set these aside because I think I can work those in. And look, she's got one right there. This is crazy. Oh, Tree made these. Oh my gosh. These are adorable. Look at that. It's fun to pass around stuff that different people made. Tree, these are darling. Look at that little tiny flower embellishment in the center. Oh my gosh. Tree is Craft On. See it? She's on YouTube, and I'm pretty sure that's her Instagram name too. If you're not familiar with her channel, check her out. She is definitely one of us. But you probably already know who she is. Oh my gosh, look at these little tiny, oh, they're little butterflies, and they have like tiny attacher staples in the middle. Oh my gosh. Is this a punch? Is this punches, dies? I don't know how you got all these little tiny butterflies. I have so many questions. That's really cute. I think I'm going to use those today too. Look at this. So she has another section right here where she's used one of the things from the paper pad and then gone across two. She's got stars. I love all the gold. Oh my gosh. Look at that bag of bling and stars. This is just too cute. Look at this big, oh, it's a Memdex. So I'm going to peek, yeah. So I'm not going to show you the back, but she's got an S on it and a butterfly that has glitter and foil and mirror paper. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I can't call this a pocket letter. I don't know what you call this, but it is not a pocket letter. Oh my gosh. So she wanted me to have a real official big mail opener, letter opener. And this is the tassel she's talking about. Look at how cool that is. Really, really, really neat. That's fun. I don't make tassels or jewelry stuff. I'm kind of intimidated by it. Oh, these are pretty. We'll put these in the blue stuff. And look at how this is all decorated up. Oh my gosh. She probably spent more time making this bag than I spend on most projects. And I love this. It's washi and then an adorable little heart. Super, super cute. Today is the best. That is just wonderful sentiment. Oh, they're different. Both blue, but this one has some yellow in it. Super cool. And then she keeps me supplied in sequins. My store lots of times doesn't have them. And another time she sent me a different season. Love this one. And look how she did the bag. Her bag toppers are so cute. Look at those. More butterflies. Holy cow. Look at these. Those are cool. And this bag topper, your toppers are crazy, Crystal. They're just adorable. She's got a rosette and then a layer of tulle and an S. And then she's got more of those butterflies. I want to know about the butterflies for sure. Because I have a lot of butterfly dies, but my butterflies aren't small enough, I don't think. So if this is a punch or something, I think I need to know about that. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It's blue glitter paper. It's probably going to shed when I open it. I'm going to do it anyway. And it looks like she's got other kinds of paper in there too. Oh, look at those adorable butterflies. Gorgeous floral. Free spirit. Make today pretty. I like that one. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous papers. Really, really pretty. That's just a fun way to share as to just, oh my gosh. This is amazing. What gorgeous glitter paper. Oh my gosh. That is so fabulous. Thank you, Crystal. Love it. Be joyful always. Oh, it's a magnetic dazzler. Real wood. Oh, so I think I can put this on my fridge. Joy and blue. Well, that is just too cute. It is. It's a magnet. I love it. Joy and wood and blue. Be joyful always. Look at that. Thank you, Crystal. That is adorable. I'm going to put that on my fridge today. Okay, what are these? Are these for if I make wands? Look at those. I think they're like glittered. I totally don't know. Oh, they're pencils. Duh. They're pencils. They're super cute pencils. Like in green and teal glitter. Oh my gosh. This is too much, Crystal. I don't know what I did to deserve this giant package of goodness, but oh my gosh, I love it. I'm just going to study it. I would not call this a pocket letter. Would you guys call this a pocket letter? We need a new name, I think. This is just crazy. And I really love how you assembled it. I'm going to have to go see if you have a video on this. Maybe you're going to roll one out after I see it. Super cool. Thank you so much, Crystal. I hope everyone is having a fabulous week and that you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. Bye-bye.